Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Pete, they call me Scooby. Today, we're going to be working on the dyno. I'm going to see if the new windshield that I got will fit this fairing. So let's check it out. Alright, so here you're gonna see that I got this really cool looking Krator fairing, the 2.0. I'm really digging this style, but it's got a nice sleek design. I like this here. The headlight is a little recessed, but not too bad. You can see the bulb sticking out right there. It's got a nice curve. Anyway, that's not what this is all about. We're not going to be comparing fairings today. That's going to be for another video. So now we're going to take this out. I'm going to open up the other box, which is right over there. I got no room in this shed to move. I am going to be redoing this shed over this summer, so I hope. Yeah. So let's get to opening this box here. But you don't need to see me unboxing, right? I'm just going to show it to you. You see it now? That's right. We're going to be installing a Memphis Shades windshield on a Krator fairing. Will it work? We're going to be taking this fairing back off the bike, unbolting that windshield and putting a new one on. I just found another Amazon box in there. I have no idea what it is. Am I buying things and I'm forgetting what I'm buying? Easy on, easy off. So that's the old one. So just in case I missed it on the other video, which I know I did, I'm just going to give you a quick measurements on this. Ready? I have a 1-inch gap here from this clamp to the top tree, and I believe this is 2 inches spaced out. Let me get a tape measure, just double check. That's what works with this one. I'm putting on a Memphis Shades vented Road Warrior windshield on a Krator fairing. Let's see if this works. So in case you missed it on the other video, these black bolts, which are really nicely powder coated with a black washer on the outside. Then on the inside here, you get the silver washer, and then that nut with that nylon locking thing in there. Memphis Shades comes with their own hardware. I might use their hardware. If it wasn't for YouTube, I wouldn't even do this, honestly. I would have just kept this Krator windshield on here, because I was actually truly impressed with it. You hit that like button yet? Come on, man. Here's the new one. It's a smoked one, vented. Here's the Krator dark. It looks like the holes might line up, but we'll see. It looks like it might. The black one is actually a little taller, not by much, by like ½ an inch. So this is like a 15-inch windshield also. The Road Warrior windshield comes with its own hardware. So this is the hardware that comes with it. It's these little, it's a plastic nut with a plastic, it's all plastic. I guess it's safer for the windshield versus metal. Kind of makes sense. And it looks like you can pretty much hand tighten this. Alright, so now we're going to install this. The black nuts go through the front here like so. I'm just sitting
I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together. It's so
Can you believe what I'm seeing here?
we meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free.
Can you believe what I'm seeing here? The Memphis Shades windshield fits on a Krator fairing. These black nuts on the back, I'm not too happy about them because the holes here on the fairing seem to be just about as wide as those nuts, so this one kind of fell in, so I'm gonna have to take that out and put like a washer or something on there. But then other than that, I think I'm golden. Or I might reuse the Krator hardware. See what it looks like on the bike. Wow. What do you guys think of that? Look at that, it's got the vents here now. If I didn't have any buffeting with that one, with a solid windshield, this one I'm almost positive I'm not gonna see any type of buffeting. What do you guys think? Do you like the clear, it's a smoked windshield? I might keep that one on because I'll be able to see the road better. Ho, 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 it's a game changer. Not that the other one was bad, the other one was actually pretty great. I was really impressed with it. Oh yeah. This is it right here, man. If it wasn't for YouTube, I wouldn't even do this, honestly. I'm not gonna do a test ride on this, not just yet, but on the next video, you might see the test ride. So don't forget to hit that like, subscribe, hit that bell notification for future content. Especially with this, because I'm sure you're gonna wanna know how I make out with this versus the Krator windshield. Like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you think. Talk to you guys in the next one.